Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome to BSS Online Education. I am Muhammad Imtiaz Ali, your physics teacher. Today I am going to explain about work. Look at the definition of work. Work is said to be done if the force applied on an object causes the object to move in the direction of the force. For example, if we are lifting a bag from ground to table, that will be counted as work because we had applied force and the object had moved in the direction of that force. But on the other hand, if we are applying force on a car but the car is not moving, on that time, in the physical sense, our work done will be counted as zero because after applying force the car is not moving. That means work done is zero. So to determine the amount of work done, two factors must be considered. Number one, a force should be applied on the body, and the second one, the distance through which the force moves is relevant. That means we have to apply force, and second one, the object should be moved in the direction of that force. Then it will be counted as work. So we have to remember one thing: after applying force, if the object doesn't move, then in the physical sense no work is done. That means no movement, no work. Now look at the equation of work. The equation is work is equal to force multiplied by distance moved. By using this equation we can calculate work, and if work is W, force for F and distance for S, on that time we can also write the equation like this: W is equal to F multiplied by S. And look at the SI unit of work. The SI unit of work is Newton meter because the SI unit of force is Newton and the SI unit of distance is meter. So when we are multiplying Newton and meter, on that time it will be turned into Newton meter, which is the SI unit of work. And the unit Newton meter is called a joule, and its symbol is capital J. That means Newton meter is also known as joule. And 1 joule means if the force is 1 Newton and if the distance is 1 meter, on that time it will be counted as 1 Newton meter, which is known as 1 joule. For example, a boy is pushing a table by 5 Newton and is moved 100 meter. Calculate the work. So we can easily calculate the work by the equation which one we had explained just now, because over here we know the amount of force and also we know how much distance it had moved. So what will be the solution? Look at here. First of all, we have to write the equation: work is equal to force multiplied by distance moved. Now we have to put the values of force and distance. Force is about 5 Newton, and after applying the force the table had moved for 100 meter, so we have to put the values of distance 100 meter, and after multiplying we can get 500 Newton meter. And we already told you about it that Newton meter is also known as joule. So 500 Newton meter is also known as 500 joule. That's all for today. Thank you.